Hello, this is the ROKR, R-O-K-R classical gramophone with mechanical gears. This one actually plays a real vinyl record, and I've got the instructions out here. This is the box, and let me open it. So here we go. We've got the little vinyl disc here for protection. We've got the record in a sleeve. And as you saw, I already got the instructions out. A little piece of sandpaper. I went ahead and took the plastic wrap off of all this stuff, but comes with several sheets of laser cut wood and good quality. I took the plastic off of this one. And here we've got our speaker module. Our looks like a generator. Everything's well packaged, all laid out well. You get tools, you got all your hardware, bearings, it's like O-rings. It's like very, very good quality stuff, which we've come to understand from ROKR before. I've built several of their items before. And last but not least is the record needle, which you don't see too many of this stuff anymore, that's for sure. But it comes with the needle. And there we go. So this is the start of another project. This is the unboxing part. And I hope you'll stay tuned with me for the build. Thank you for watching.